Welcome to Skövde for the Staff Academy. Would you briefly introduce yourself, your role within your institution, and the INGENIUM network?
Sure. First and foremost, thank you. I'm super glad to be here and excited for this wonderful week and all the wonderful events. Who am I? My name is Simeon. I'm a chief assistant professor full time at the Faculty of Public Health from the Medical University of Sofia, Bulgaria. I've been working as a full time lecturer for more than 8 years now. I'm also involved in research and obviously one project which involves 10 European universities. It's called INGENIUM. You might have heard about it. So I'm really happy to be part of this whole innovative project.
Yes. What was the main topic or case you presented during the Staff Academy today?
Yeah, my specific topic was related to how physical activity can improve the learning outcomes in higher education. As some people might know, physical activity is a very important positive factor for our health. For example, recent data from the WHO, World Health Organization, shows that 31% of adults suffer from inadequate physical activity. So they live a sedentary lifestyle. And this is a huge problem nowadays. I mean, we work sitting, we then go to our car or public transport, we sit again, and then we come home to sit more in front of the TV, for example, or on our phones. So this is a huge problem. And when it comes to higher education and how students are perceiving the information, how they're learning, mm, as adults, they're also involved in these statistics. So they struggle with this as well. And one way is how we can improve this is through making them more physically active and specifically to implement physical activity as part of the learning processes, as part of the lectures, especially the practical lectures. And on one hand, it stimulates the blood flow so that there's more blood and oxygen going to the brain, which helps you with your cognitive functions, and it stimulates your memory, critical thinking. So that's something super beneficial, and it's the main reason for my specific Staff Academy workshop and the main theme of it.
Yes. Oh, I have to ask you. So, for example, what kind of activity? Is it simply standing up, sitting down? What kind of activities would be examples?
Light workout, for
Oh.
example, you can do some light jumping jacks, light squats, or just some light stretching to get your heart rate up. This is the
I
main
see.
idea, and just to get the blood going, blood flowing through the body, and reach all organs, muscles,
So, so these
especially the brain.
activities, so these activities during the learning process, you mean?
Yeah, for example, as a brief example, let's say that you're presenting something to your students, and you have a short break, a short pause,
Ah.
and for example, we can say, okay, guys, now it's time to have a nice, quick, short workout session.
Okay.
Again, something nice and easy that's very light, not heavy weightlifting or anything like
No.
that. I mean, of course, you can do that, but not in the classroom, obviously. Yeah, just to get the blood flowing and stimulate their brains.
I see. What are the most significant insights or outcomes from your session?
The most significant insights are related to neuroplasticity. This is the function of the brain to form new neural pathways through learning new information. On one hand, on the other, it's through stimulating blood flow to the brain by being physically active. Again, there's plenty of research to support that physical activity helps a lot of cognitive processes in the brain. And since we're aimed at better learning outcomes, one of them is being able to memorize information better, stimulating your critical thinking, etc.
And how would you see these insights contribute to the goals of INGENIUM?
First and foremost, it can help. One thing is to disseminate the information, for example, these data and these insights across the different partner universities, so that some colleagues can potentially find it useful in their own curriculum, their own teaching, and implement it to help their students improve their learning outcomes and grades, learning satisfaction, and above all to understand the information and to assimilate it in a superior way. So for me, that's the main thing, just to disseminate the best practices and share it across different universities.
Yes. What kind of future opportunities or collaborations do you envision as a result of this event?
One of them is definitely just collaborating with other lecturers or researchers to expand on the idea of how we can implement and make use of physical activity as part of the teaching programs, and how it can help students, help their overall health, improve their well-being on one hand, but also help them to study more efficiently and just get better at the specific topic or subject that they're currently studying.
Yeah, it would be interesting to measure the effectiveness or the efficiency after applying these activities.
Yeah, that can be done with, for example, doing psychometric tests, just running them across the students, and after that do some qualitative analysis, and anonymize the data. And yeah, this is even a good base for a potential new research, which can be published in a journal. So plenty of opportunities. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.